thinking about it. Keep coming. Wouldn't fucking commit. There you go. That was a fun eat. Not the big one I was looking for, but a fun eat. This might have a little more meat to him than I originally thought. Ooh, put some heat back on him. Good one. Didn't want to give you a reel that you didn't earn, brother. Ooh, ooh, earn it. Power pole, doing power pole things. I got you. I got you. I appreciate your effort. Your buddies down here didn't want me parking on their head. Oh, Jesus. How many fish are on this bank? Good Lord. It's only 10-pound tippet. Still fish right there. Look at that. Oh, there's some good ones in there. Maybe these are all better than I thought. That's why this one is pulling a stun like that, almost to the backing. This isn't enough stick right here. Yeah, it might be 22. Let's go 22. Who knows? Maybe he's bigger. This fish is still right there. There's a big one right there just hanging out. Oh, I had another buddy that was closer to the bottom. Uh-huh. Show me that attitude. I'm gonna call you Steve. Funky attitude Steve. Come on, Steve. You gave me a nice pretty bite. No, you gotta come up here, Steve. No, stay close to the boat. Quicker you let me control this, quicker we get you back in the water without a hook in your mouth. Uh-huh. Oh, 25, 26. You got a little more. Come on, bud. Feisty big water fish. I'm not playing this guy. Oh, don't pull now. You break my rod tip. Oh, there you go, Steve. Right in the top of the lip. Oh my God. Timing. All about timing. Oh, Steve, I think you might have just gotten me a big red for. Let's see what we can do here. Man, oh. You're a good fish, bud. What you got? Ooh, 28. That was a little bit of a, actually, 28 and a half. Nope. Be fair about it. On the 0, 28 on the number. 28 on the number. That's our big fish for the year. All right, VCFA. All right, don't move. You can read it from there. But you're a beaut. I'm gonna give you a little time in the water, bud. I'm gonna give you a little time. Get on out of here.